Welcome to our platform. This is Lorena again, and today we're going to go over the activity results section that is part of the grading tool. If you're using any of the LMS, such as Schoology, Canvas, Teams, or Google Classrooms, we're going to go to the top left corner and we're going to check that we see LMS linked in green right next to our username. When we check that everything is good and we see LMS linked in green, we can proceed with the next steps. Let's go to the teacher's panel and then we click on grading. We'll see this box and we have to click on activity results. Right here, we'll see the list of the classes that we have already created. We'll click on the group that we would like to see the results for. I'm going to click on group number 2. If you're using any of the LMS that I have just mentioned, you have to click on this box to check for resyncs. It means that I have no assignments that need resyncing right now, so I can continue with the next section. Right now, you will see under each, for example, in this case, unit, I have this icon. That means that I have assigned activities for my students in this unit. So you will see grammar right here, and I want to show you one of these exercises. You will see the folder right here because that means that I assigned this activity and it was part of a folder that I created. Then I'm going to go to my student and I'm going to click on her activities. You will see here that this is a point activity, that there were 4 questions that were answered correctly, and each of them was worth 1 point. That's why she got 4 points. If she had 4 correct answers, but the point value would be 2 points for every correct answer, she would have gotten 8 points. So right here, I can adjust any points that I can see. I can leave some additional notes right here. I can adjust the point value if I would like to. I can see how long she spent doing this activity. So if I think she should try it again, what I could do, I can click on reset. So by clicking on reset, what I'll do, the system will clear her activity. And in this case, this activity results would be archived. Let's see what it looks like. So I would like for my student to redo this activity. And that's why I reset it. So this activity would be archived. That means that it is not in my gradebook, that I am waiting for my student to submit this activity again, so I can check and see if she gets a good score. But what I could do by clicking on this, I can click on any previous submissions. So I'm going to click on it right here. We'll give it a little time. And we'll be able to see the previous submissions that my student had. If we would like to restore this activity result, we would just click Restore. And it says pending refresh. So we would have to exit out like that. And then the activity will be refreshed, as you can see. Another type of activity is this kind of activity in which a student did not submit the activity, they just saved it. So by scrolling down right here, going to the very top here, we're going to click on force submission. And this activity will already be submitted. It won't be on needs submission. You see? If you're using any of the LMS that you have, such as Schoology, Canvas, Teams, or Google Classroom, you can also click on Sync with LMS so that these scores are synced. Okay? If we would like for all of our students to redo this activity because it was not completed as we expected, we just can click on reset everything, and it will have clear all of our students' records, and they will have to resubmit this activity. I hope that this video was useful for you, and if you have any questions, you can send us an email at efl@ourstoryscape.com. You can also click on the help button to contact us there. Have a great day. Thank you for watching.